Good afternoon, students. All of you know 1st July mock test. Okay, the mock test start from 1st July. Okay, so all are very busy for study. Now I am showing you for MCQ question. Okay, today I will discuss few objective type of question I will ask. Okay, now solving. Look at the board. Suppose all of you portion. Just I am showing determinant. Suppose 1 omega square and omega square 1 omega square 1 omega. Okay, the value of the determinant is here is given. Option is there: A 1, B -1, okay, and C 0, D none of these. Which answer is correct? Which one? See, all of you know omega, that is cube root of unity. This is the complex root. Cube root of 1 omega, that is complex root, and all of you know 1 plus omega square equal to 0. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Now look at here. If we add, suppose R1 dash, see R1 dash equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 with the help of properties of determinant. R1 dash R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. Now this is R1, this is R1, R2, R3, and this is C1, C2, C3. Okay. Now R1 dash means this one change. So you can write 1 omega square. Here also omega plus omega square plus 1. Here omega square 1 plus omega. Now see, second row no change. Omega square 1 omega square 1 omega. Okay. Now if we take common here 1 plus omega square, so all of you know the value of 1 plus omega square, the given expression will be 0, because omega is the complex root of the equation, that is x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So all of you know. So here we take common 1 plus omega square, or otherwise this value will be 0. Now you put 0, 0, 0. So according to properties of determinant, we know if any one row or any one column, all the elements are 0, then the value of the determinant is 0. Understood? Yes. Now look, this is 0, 0, 0. So the value of the determinant is 0. So option is 0. C. Answer is C. Okay. Now next one. Next slide. Y equal to x to the power x is given. Okay. Find, suppose dy dx, in short type of dy dx. Okay. So all of you know this will be both the function of x. Here taking log in both the sides. So log y, we know log y equal to x log x. So 1 by y dy dx equal to x into d dx of log x 1 by x plus log x into 1 d dx x1. This is product rule. So dy dx we can write y into 1 plus log x. So dy dx, you put the value y equal to here x to the power x. So x to the power x into 1 plus log x. So option is this. Suppose three options are there. So dy dx equal to x to the power x into 1 plus log x. Okay. Dy dx equal to x to the power x into 1 plus log x. Okay. So dy dx is given here. Option is there. Suppose here is given. Option number 1 is given. Suppose A, right? A, x to the power x 1 plus log x. B, suppose x to the power x plus 1 plus log x. C is there. Suppose x to the power x into x to the power x into log x. D is there. None of these. None. So answer is A. Answer is A. Okay. Answer is A. So next one. See, next one. Suppose y equal to, right, root under sin x plus root under sin x plus root under sin x plus up to infinity is there. So first you squaring both the sides, whole roots are there. So write y square equal to sin x plus root under sin x plus root under sin x plus up to infinity is there. Okay. Now, so sin x, we can write this part is y, no? See, similar part, same part is there, the same part. So this is y. So y square. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So 2y dy dx equal to cos x plus dy dx. So right, 2y minus 1 of dy dx equal to cos x. So right, dy dx equal to cos x by 2y minus 1. Okay, dy dx equal to cos x by 2y minus 1. Few options are there, so this option is correct. Okay. Now, the next one. Now, next sum I am showing. Suppose y ddx is given tan inverse 1 minus cos x by sin x. Okay. Option is given. Number 1 A is given. Suppose half. B 2. C is given 1 and D is given minus half. Okay, D is given minus half. So, which option is correct? So, all of you know 1 minus cos x, we can write, simplify 2 sin square x by 2. Here 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, so tan inverse 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. 2 to cancel. So tan inverse tan x by 2 equal to x by 2. Okay. So what this part is y. So dy dx equal to, okay. So ddx of x by 2 equal to half. So answer is half. So okay, so answer A is correct. Option A is correct answer. Okay. Now, next part. the least value of the function, e to the power x, suppose f of x equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Okay, what is the least value of the function f of x? What is the least value? So you can write e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x, no? So here will be e to the power x plus 1 by this whole square e to the power x. So this part we can write e to the power x minus 1 whole square minus 2 e to the power x by e to the power x. Okay, now e to the power x minus 1 whole square by e to the power x, again write it, sorry, this is plus, a minus equal to plus 2 will be plus whole square by e to the power x plus 2. So this part, the value of e, all of you know, lie between 2 and 3, that is approximate value 2.71. The value of e lie between 2 and 3. So this part is always positive. Okay, so least value always greater than 0. So we can write least value is 2. Least value is 2. Okay, so option is here minus 2, 0, 2, none of these. Okay, next, x to the power m y to the power n equal to x plus y whole to the power m plus n. Okay, so right, x to the power m y to the power n equal to x plus y whole m plus n. So dy dx equal to, option is there, y by x, a, b x by y, c x to the power x to the power m minus 1 by y to the power n minus 1, d none of these. Okay, so all of you know this will be y by x, this type of sum, y by x is there. Okay, so y by x, the answer is there, taking log in both the sides here. So m log x, okay, m log x plus n log y equal to m plus n log of x plus y, taking log in both the sides. Okay, then differentiate both the sides, m by x plus n by y dy dx equal to m plus n log of x plus y is there. So m plus n into 1 by x plus y into 1 plus dy dx, and if separate dy dx in one side, remaining part is one side. Okay, and you have to simplify, you will get y by x. Answer is y by x. Okay, next, suppose f of x, so right, f of x equal to x square minus 25 by x minus 5, where x not equal to 5, equal to constant k, where x equal to 5. Then if the function is continuous at x equal to 5, then what is the value of k? Just you know, just simplify it. A plus b, a minus b, x square minus 3, f of x equal to x plus 5 into x minus 5, you can write by x minus 5. This is the cancel is there. So right, left limit equal to right hand limit, all of you know, equal to f of f our function. So direct value we put here. If we put x equal to 5, then function is continuous. Okay. So limit x tends to 5, f of x equal to f of 5. The value is k. So you put here x plus 5, 5 plus 5 equal to f of 5 equal to k. That is k equal to 10. Okay. So very easy sum is there. Next, all of the derivative of an even function. The derivative of an even function is, option is there, odd, even, both even or odd. Okay, both even, odd, none of these. Which option is there? Correct. The derivative of even function is there. Okay, so look at here, I am writing all of the even function. A function is said to be even if f of minus x equal to f of x, and the function is odd if f of minus x equal to f of minus x equal to minus f of x. See, if we write so f of x equal to x square, you put f of minus x whole square equal to x square equal to f of x. So this function is known as even function. Okay. Now if we write f of x equal to suppose x cube, okay, then f of minus x, so minus x whole cube, so you will write minus x cube equal to minus f of x. Okay, this is odd function. So derivative of an even function. So this function, if you derivative, so f dash x you can write twice x. See, twice x, it is odd function. Okay, f dash minus x you put, so 2 minus twice x. Okay, so minus f dash x. So this function twice x is here. This is odd function. Okay, this is odd function. Now next one. Right. Suppose f of x plus 1 by x is given x square plus 1 by x square. This is given. Okay. So find f of x. Here. Option is there. A x square, b is there, x square minus 1, c is there, x square minus 2, and d none of these. So x plus 1 by x, here x square plus 1 by x square is given. Okay, so you can write, see this part, we can write x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Okay, so f of x plus 1 by x equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. If we put x plus 1 by x equal to, suppose x consider, then f of x equal to c, x square minus 2. So c, option C is correct, x square minus 2. Okay, so option C is correct. Okay, now one sum, next sum. next one is right. Suppose tan inverse 1 plus x plus tan inverse 1 minus x equal to pi by 2 is given. Then x equal to 1 minus 1 0 and half. What is the option? So all of the formula is there. Okay, so you can write tan inverse 1 plus x plus 1 minus x by 1 minus 1 plus x into 1 minus x equal to pi by 2. Okay, so write tan inverse 2 by 1 minus x square equal to pi by 2. Okay, so write, you can write 2 by only x square, this cancel 1 minus 1 plus x square, 2 by x square equal to tan pi by 2. Tan 90 undefined, all of you know, so this part will be 0, so x square will be 0, then x equal to 0, the option is 0. Understood? Option C is there. Okay, so now no more today, all of you practice at home. Okay, and most probably this week your exam is there, and after exam I will start a new chapter. Okay, no more today.